What if the food you rely on every day became harder to find? Rising prices, unpredictable weather, and supply chain disruptions already make fresh produce less accessible. But what if the solution to this growing problem is as close as your backyard or your windowsill? The world is facing a food crisis like never before. Climate change is disrupting farming, while urbanization is reducing agricultural land. By 2050, the global population is expected to reach 10 billion, and feeding everyone will require 60% more food than we currently produce. Meanwhile, food prices are skyrocketing, and supply chains are becoming increasingly fragile. But there's hope, and it starts with growing your own greens. Growing your food isn't just a trendy hobby, it's a powerful step towards sustainability, resilience, and health. When you grow your greens, you control what goes into your food. No pesticides, no preservatives, just fresh, nutrient-packed produce straight from the soil to your plate. Growing greens like kale, lettuce, or spinach can save you money. A small packet of seeds can yield weeks or even months of fresh produce. Plus, you save on the environmental costs of transporting and packaging store-bought food. Unlike store-bought greens that wilt quickly, homegrown produce stays fresh longer because you harvest only what you need. Starting your green garden is easier than you think. You don't need a big yard or fancy equipment, just a little time, space, and patience. Start with beginner-friendly plants like spinach, arugula, or microgreens. These grow quickly and don't require much maintenance. A sunny windowsill, a balcony, or even a corner of your backyard can become your farm. Water regularly, keep an eye on pests, and in just a few weeks, you'll be enjoying fresh greens at home. Growing your food isn't just about convenience. It's about building a sustainable future. Community gardens, urban farms, and home gardens can help reduce the strain on global agriculture. If more people grow even a small portion of their food, we could collectively reduce greenhouse gas emissions, preserve precious farmland, and secure food for future generations. Imagine a world where fresh, healthy food is within reach of everyone, not reliant on long supply chains or industrial farming. By planting even a single seed, you're contributing to that vision. The future of food is in our hands, and it starts with yours. Will you join the movement? Like and subscribe for more Earth Echoes vibes. Together, let's build a greener future. Thank you for watching.